Hey guys, what's going on? Chad here from Shifting Lanes, and today we start work on the budget big brake kit for my project 2002 Lexus IS300. Stay tuned. So if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you see at the end of this video, consider subscribing. Hit that little notification bell to get all of our updates. We have project cars, we do reviews, we go to car events, we kind of do it all. So if you like what we do, definitely consider subscribing. What about the Lexus? When we last left her, I was going through all the parts I was going to need to make her stop and handle better. And today, we're going to address the stopping. To those of you who are new, these are not standard Lexus IS300 brakes. They're actually LS400 brake calipers. They're 4-piston. They don't exactly bolt on, but if you check out our parts video, you'll see how we're going to make this work. Now today, we're going to clean these up. We're going to throw a coat of paint on them, get them ready for installation. So there's only one thing left to do, and that's head on into the shop and get to work. So like I said, this is off of a 2000 Lexus LS400. It is a 4-piston brake caliper. It is massive in comparison to the stock brakes on the IS. I'm going to walk you through taking this thing apart and see what kind of condition she's in. We got these things pretty used and the pads look brand new. Now we will be replacing these, but even though I have an emergency cheap backup should the need arise. And there we have it, the inside of a nearly 18-year-old LS400 brake caliper. Boots and everything look in really good shape. Same could be said for the pistons. A little bit of wear here and there, but definitely not the worst for wear. Pretty much similar story on the other side. A little leftover brake fluid, never hurt nobody. But yes, and this is why we've kind of changed plans. Originally the plan was to powder coat all of these. This stuff's in such good shape that I don't really want to disassemble it if I don't have to. So today, we're actually going to be painting it instead of powder coating it. Save a little bit of money. Should look pretty cool. And go from there. We're going to clean these up. We took the other one apart off camera and get it ready for paint.
So many we fell in love and promised we'd never separate, but it seems the time has come that you run my life.
So we fast forward a day and a haircut later, and these things are looking real nice. I mean, sure, there's a couple little imperfections here and there. Some of the spots need some touching up, but overall, these came out way better than I thought they were going to. So now the only thing left to do is to reassemble them and get them ready to put on the car. Alrighty guys, and that's it. I am thrilled with how well these came out. They gave these old LS400 brake calipers just a brand new lease on life. These things are going to look sweet up inside there. Nice and sleeper. Nobody's really going to know what kind of braking power we have at a distance. It's fantastic. I'd just like to thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Maybe hit the bell icon so you get notifications when we release new videos. We're kind of a one-stop shop, guys. We got 4 project cars. In addition to my Lexus, you have Hanson's BRZ, the Team Dad Wagon Volvo, and our Aston Martin, which has been a little bit of a YouTube darling throughout its life. We also do reviews. Check out our Good, Bad, and Ugly series for all the, basically the newest cars coming out. We review them, let them know if they're right for you. And lastly, check us out on social media, at Shifting Lanes. If you want to hit me up, at Chenedy83. Next time you see this car, guys, we're actually going to be getting to work. We're actually going to get to work on it. We're going to put these bad boys on the front. I have stock IS300 calipers going in the rears. We have a suspension kit to go in there, sway bars, springs, struts, the whole nine. Cannot wait to get rid of that gap. So this thing's riding low, looking nice, basically looking like she should. I also wanted to touch on one last thing. After that, we have a brand new ECU and headers. I'll be doing a video on each of those products as I get them in. Pretty stoked for all that because she's really coming together. Bodywork, a couple more engine mods. I'm pretty excited. Anyway, I'll catch you next time.